Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy Spanish with Ed. In this video, let's continue our discussion of fluency boosters in Spanish that you can memorize and have at your disposal to quickly increase your fluency. Here are the boosters we're going to look at in part 2. And just like with the boosters we learned about in part 1, you'll just combine these with other verbs in their infinitive form. Tener que, which means to have to. Debería, you use this to say that someone should do something. Solía, this one you'll use to say that someone used to do something. Here are the present tense conjugations for the verb tener, and when you add que plus another verb in its infinitive, it means to have to do something. Tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tenéis, tienen. Let's look at some examples. If the verb for to work is trabajar, how would you say, I have to work tomorrow? Tengo que trabajar mañana. Tengo que trabajar mañana. And how would you say, do they have to come? And the verb for to come is venir. ¿Tienen que venir? ¿Tienen que venir? And how about, we don't have to go? No tenemos que ir. No tenemos que ir. We can also combine boosters. So how would you say, I'm going to have to help her? It would be, voy a tener que ayudarla. Voy a tener que ayudarla. Next, let's look at the conjugations for the verb deber in the conditional tense. And this is how you'll tell someone they should do something. Debería, deberías, debería, deberíamos, deberíais, deberían. That said, how would you say, they should help him? And again, the verb for to help is ayudar. It would be, deberían ayudarlo. Deberían ayudarlo. And how about, you shouldn't go to the party? No deberías ir a la fiesta. No deberías ir a la fiesta. And how about, should we come tomorrow? ¿Deberíamos venir mañana? ¿Deberíamos venir mañana? And the last booster we'll look at is the one that uses the verb soler in its imperfect form to say that someone used to do something. Here are all the conjugations. Solía, solías, solía, solíamos, solíais, solían. So how would you say, we used to go all the time? Solíamos ir todo el tiempo. Solíamos ir todo el tiempo. And how about, they used to play every Sunday? Solían jugar todos los domingos. Solían jugar todos los domingos. And how would you say, did you guys used to cook a lot? And the verb for to cook is cocinar. If you're anywhere in Latin America, you'd say solían cocinar mucho. Where someone from Spain would say, ¿solíais cocinar mucho? ¿Solían cocinar mucho? ¿Solíais cocinar mucho? If you found this video at all helpful, please give it a like so that YouTube shows it to more people, and that will help the channel grow. And please don't forget to subscribe so that you're notified when I upload new lessons. See you in the next one. Ciao.